JKR അക്കാഡമിയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി സ്വാഗതം. ആദ്യം തന്നെ റിക്വസ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ട്, നിങ്ങൾ ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ഈ ചാനൽ കാണുന്നതെങ്കിലോ ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല എങ്കിലോ ഇന്ന് തന്നെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്താൽ മാത്രമേ ഞാനെന്ന ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ അപ്പോൾ തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷനിൽ ലഭ്യമാവുകയുള്ളൂ. ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൻ്റെ മിൽമ പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൻ്റെ മാർക്ക് മുഴുവനും ഉറപ്പിക്കാവുന്ന രീതിയിൽ വളരെ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനുകളാണ് ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിട്ടുള്ളത്. നമുക്ക് ക്ലാസ്സിലേക്ക് കിടക്കാം. ആദ്യത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നോക്കാം.
The phrase magnum opus means, the phrase magnum opus means option A in bad faith, option B magnificent, option C method of working, option D masterpiece. The phrase magnum opus means masterpiece. Option D ആണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. No sooner had I set out dash it began to rain. ഓപ്ഷൻ നോക്കാം. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ when, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി then, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി than, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി since. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? No sooner had I set out than it began to rain. ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. The opposite of assent is, the opposite of assent is, ഓപ്ഷൻ എ detract, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി retreat, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി dearrange, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി decent. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? The opposite of assent is descent. ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. If I ever find my glasses, I think I will have dash replaced. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ it, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി them, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി its, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി none. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? If I ever find my glasses, I think I will have them replaced. ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Where is my umbrella? She asked. Change into indirect. Where is my umbrella? She asked. Change into indirect. ഓപ്ഷൻ നോക്കാം. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ she told where is my umbrella. ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി she asked where her umbrella was. ഓപ്ഷൻ സി she asked where was the umbrella. ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി none. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ. she asked where her umbrella was. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Neither the girl nor her brother dash passed. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ have, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി did, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി do, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി has. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? Neither the girl nor her brother have passed. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ. അടുത്ത filling the blanks with the correct forms of verbs. Filling the blanks with the correct forms of verbs. Raju enjoys dash the dramas of Shakespeare. Option A read, option B reading, option C to read, option D to be reading. Raju enjoys reading the dramas of Shakespeare. Option B ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. Collective noun for guns is, collective noun for guns is, option A cave, option B brace, option C battery, option D bask. Collective noun for guns is battery. Option C ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. Chaos means, chaos means option A paradise, option B complete disorder or confusion, option C busy, option D salute. Chaos means complete disorder or confusion. Option B ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. One who eats too much is, one who eats too much is, option A stoic, option B glutton, option C egotist, option D greedy. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ. glutton. One who eats too much is glutton. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. She plays dash violin. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി an, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി the, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി none of these. She plays the violin. ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. He works dash to pass the examination. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ hardest, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി hard, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി harder, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി hardly. He works hard to pass the examination. Option B ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. Mary is dash friend of the class. Option A in, option B at, option C from, option D on. Mary is in front of the class. Option A ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. The members of the jury dash to convene at 4 o'clock. Option A is, option B are, option C has, option D had. The members of the jury are to convene at 4 o'clock. Option B ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. Nitin won't be a late dash. Question ആണ്. Question ഏതാണ്? Question option A is he, option B is he, option C will he, option D won't he. Nitin won't be late. Will he ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. A group of men dash creating a trouble. A group of men dash creating trouble. Option A was, option B were, option C being, option D have been. ഏതാണ്? A group of men was creating trouble. A group of men was creating trouble. Option A ആണ് correct answer. Write one word for the following group of words. One who is experienced in a field. One who is experienced in a field. Option A amateur, option B veteran, option C senior, option D junior. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? One who is experienced in a field, amateur. Option A ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. All the milk dash sour. Option A was, option B were, option C are, option D has. All the milk was sour. Option A ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. He dashed to arrive at 8 o'clock but he is late. Option A expected, option B is expected, option C has been expected, option D was expected. He has been expected to arrive at 8 o'clock but he is late. Option C ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. This boy is afraid dash the dog. Option A of, option B with, option C in, option D by. This boy is afraid of the dog. Option A ആണ് correct answer. You should do it dash you like it or not. Option A whether, option B although, option C that, option D than. You should do it whether you like it or not. Option A ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. The synonym of enmity is, option A angularity, option B oddity, option C eccentricity, option D hostility. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? Option D ആണ് correct answer. Hostility. അടുത്ത question. The lady asked, option A why the child is crying, option B why the child was crying, option C why is the child crying, option D why was the child crying. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? The lady asked why the child was crying. Option B ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. He is dash FBI agent. Option A, option B an, option C the, option D none. He is an FBI agent. Option B ആണ് correct answer. I was given a book is the passive form of, option A someone is giving me a book, option B someone has given me a book, option C someone gives me a book, option D someone gave me a book. I was given a book is the passive form of someone gave me a book. Option D ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. The meaning of linger is, option A hurry, option B quicken, option C loiter, option D break. The meaning of linger is loiter. Option C ആണ് correct. അടുത്ത question. If you invite her, complete the sentence. Option A she would come, option B she could come, option C she should come, option D she will come. If you invite her, she will come. Option D ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. we shall not dash with the other pupils' affairs. Option A metal, option C middle, option C metal, option D mediate. We should not meddle with the other pupils' affairs. Another question. Give the correct spelling. Give the correct spelling. Option A buoyant, option C buoyant, option C buoyant, option D buoyant. ഏതാണ് correct spelling? Option D ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. Find out the wrongly spelt word. Wrongly spelt word ഏതാണ് ഈ ഓപ്ഷനകത്ത്? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ quorum, option B psychopath, option C exhausted, option D elixir. Find the wrongly spelt word ഏതാണ്? ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ആണ് wrongly spelt word psychopath. അടുത്ത question. When Raju came to the class very late, the teacher asked him where dash. Option A he had, option B where you, option C had you gone, option D he had been. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? When Raju came to the class very late, the teacher asked him where he had been. Option D ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. Ad valorem means dash. Option A according to value, option B temporary value, option C a disgusting experience, option D an honored guest. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? Ad valorem means according to value. Option A ആണ് correct answer. question. Children hardly ever speak English. Children hardly ever speak English. Option A don't they, option B didn't they, option C do they, option D did they. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ് correct answer. Do they. അടുത്ത question. Than work is dash for any man to do single handed. Option A more than enough, option B much more, option C very much, option D too much. Than work is too much for any man to do single handed. Option D ആണ് correct answer. The antonym of include is option A conclude, option B exclude, option C seclude, option D preclude. The antonym of include is exclude. Option B ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. Which of the following sentence is wrong? Which of the following sentence is wrong? Option A my uncle went abroad last week. Option B he was in a hurry to go to the office. Option C if you work hard you will pass. Option D no sooner had he reached home when the light went out. Which of the following sentence is wrong? Option D ആണ് wrong ആയിട്ടുള്ള സെന്റൻസ്. ഏതാണ്? no sooner had he reached home when the light went out. In which part of the sentence is the mistake? I am looking forward. Option B to see you, option C sometime, option D next year. In which part of the sentence is the mistake? Option B ആണ് mistake. Option B ഏതാണ്? to see you. അടുത്ത question. Of the two sisters Gayatri and Tirtha, Gayatri is dash attractive. Option A more, option B most, option C much, option D very. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ആണ് correct answer. Gayatri is more attractive. Of the two sisters Gayatri and Tirtha, Gayatri is more attractive. If you are caught trying to smuggle gold through the customs, it will be dash. Option A confiscated, option B compensated, option C consolidated, option D castigated. If you are caught trying to smuggle gold through the customs, it will be confiscated. Option A ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. One who compiles dictionaries is said A. Option A dictator, option C calligrapher, option C linguist, option D lexicographer. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ് correct answer. lexicographer. She is dash most intelligent girl in the class. Option A Anna, option B Daya, option C Aya, option D none of these. She is the most intelligent girl in the class. Option B ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. The opposite of obligatory is option A voluntary, option B compulsory, option C necessary, option D inevitable. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? The opposite of obligatory is voluntary. Option A ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. We must have dash to good books. Option A access, option B access, option C access, option D access. We must have access to good books. Option B ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. The synonym of absurd is option A unconscious, option B conscious, option C foolish, option D sensible. The synonym of absurd is foolish. Option C ആണ് correct answer. Question. Tell me dash you were talking to for so long. Option A who, option B whose, option C what, option D who. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? Tell me who you were talking to for so long. Option A ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. Vishnu is the dash boy in his class. Option A tall, option B tallest, option C taller, option D long. Vishnu is the tallest boy in his class. Option B ആണ് correct answer. Mahatma Gandhi insisted on dash wearing khadi clothes. Option A B, option B ours, option C our, option D ours. Mahatma Gandhi insisted on our wearing khadi clothes. Option C ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. We have a holiday dash Christmas. Option A at, option B in, option C on, option D by. We have a holiday at Christmas. Option A ആണ് correct answer. Give one word of the following. Tendency to maintain a state of affairs without much change. Option A orthodoxy, option B conservatism, option C chorus, option D balance. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ആണ് correct answer. Conservatism. അടുത്ത question. Hardly dash see the picture. Option A I can, option B I could, option B can, option C can I, option D can't I. Hardly I could see the picture. Option B ആണ് correct. അടുത്ത question. All were invited dash dinner. Option A for, option B to, option C on, option D at. All were invited to dinner. Option B ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. A person who runs away from law or justice. Option A refugee, option B criminal, option C fugitive, option D immigrant. A person who runs away from law or justice, fugitive. Option C ആണ് correct answer. I cannot dash what he is saying. Option A make in, option B put off, option C make out, option D put up. I cannot make out what he is saying. Option C ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. The opposite of implicit is option A exposed, option B inherent, option C convert, option D none of these. Opposite of implicit is none of these. അടുത്ത question. He does not know dash English fluently. Option A how to speak, option B to speak, option C how speaking, option D how to speaking. He does not know how to speak English fluently. Option A ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. This PC is as good as new. It has dash been used. Option A hardly, option B mostly, option C lately, option D most. This PC is as good as new. It has hardly been used. Option A ആണ് correct answer. Question. Select an uncountable noun from the following. Select an uncountable noun from the following. ഏതാണ്? Poetry. Option D ആണ് correct answer. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടമായി എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ക്ലാസ് ഇഷ്ടമായി ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യണം, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യണം, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യണം, പരമാവധി എല്ലാവരിലേക്കും എത്തിച്ചു കൊടുക്കും. ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി എന്നോട് നിർത്തട്ടെ. നമസ്കാരം.